Take a guess. I'll be putting paper clips in a cup of water. How many can I put in before the cup overflows? I'll give you 5 seconds to make a guess on how many more paper clips I can put in.
So full? Will anything even go in? Probably a trick.
Thought of a number? Let's see how close you were. For those of you who thought 10, let's put that number to the test. That must have surprised you. Do you want to have another guess? Let's see how many more we can put in. I'll be putting strings of 5 at a time, just for the sake of counting. $100 already! In water, every molecule attracts every other molecule, pushing them all together. Due to surface tension, the molecules on the surface of the water are attracted by the internal molecules. So even when the surface of the liquid goes beyond the walls of the cup a bit, the water won't spill over. Look at that! Isn't it fascinating? You can look at my results for different liquids such as oil, milk and dish soap, and how surface tension works in my display above.